In today's class, we will be learning the topic, rights and obligation of family members. Family unit is the smallest unit of the larger society. It consists of the father, the mother and the children. It may include members of the extended family which are uncles, cousins, grandparents, niece, etc. Traditionally the father is the head of the family. The man's decision has far-reaching consequences in determining the peace, unity and progress of the family. The family unit makes up the larger society, form the basis of government and the first training ground for both spiritual and moral education. Healthy family units can only be built where the individuals that make up the units know their duties and responsibilities and perform them faithfully. Responsibilities of each member of the family. A Christian family therefore is a home where husband and wife strive together to actualize their union, with God, as the head. This oneness as a result of the union should therefore make the wives to be subject to their husbands, just as the husbands should not be harsh to their wives, treating them gently as the weaker sex. Indeed, only a husband who loves his wife loves himself, by reason of this oneness. The list of each family member are outlined below. The husband, the wife, the children, the housemaid. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.